Punya Singh 520, Sri Winston Tony Lindo 986, Sri Errington Dunboxware 11,
Tuni
and Mota
là
51.
Tuni là tâm Tuni है.
Nah, di hotspot filangan di lami yang gale.
Break. Oi,
Lain lah nong pet.
iya. Keng.
Ndera
Tampil lah
pet.
si Jar. Tampil si Jar. Ini rai itu no tip di ekor no lam yo
Di
arca
hotspot filangan siang.
kit ayo lah.
On wifi sa masih hotspot.
Lam yo a. Kemarin lah sebut ini. Ini plus nasi. Mas Tanyo, kemarin Mas Tanyo itu nih deh. Sisi. Saya kuat saya Tanyo. Dengan kuriam banyak orang.
First round of counting for 7 Mountain Road District Council constituency. The votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Srimati Amanda Annette Bhattapati 1,308. Sri Councillor Mukim 11. Sri Vilas Varva 511. Sri Kansing Lingshyang 583. Sri Saiborlang Varva 2,266, Sri Toros Singh 24, Sri Pinshai Mauri 6, and Nota 16.
Secara betul lah secara lah. Kamu secara antara.
After the first round of counting for 18 Malkar Farukra District Council constituency, the votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri James Pandaseraman 423, Sri Jubalang Khaliki 27, Sri Gobor El Nongkanri 99, Sri Pushyan Namaste 1024, Sri Sampula Khaljana 1899, Sri Huma Basyama 34, Sri Vikram John Walang 9, and Nota 18. After the first round of counting for 20 Mawai District Council constituency, the total votes polled against each candidate is as follows. Srimati Dalila Nonglai 7, Sri Edison Karunnoy 3,159, Sri Vansing Jorwa 202, Sri Process C. Salmi 206, Sri Saiborlang Lindo Nonglai 50, Sri Saiborlang Pakhao 782, and Mota 30. After the first round of counting for 19 July District Council constituency. The total votes polled against each candidate are as follows. Sri Augusta Jerva 1089, Sri Tenzin Reynard Chen 2072, Sri Gerald Shulai 127, Sri Thomas Prasad 212, and Nota 55.
Mulai tentang 4 tahun mau. Mulai.
Mulai kontrak.
Berat.
Jalan hey. Mana?
Terus balik warna yang di tempat. Hutin nak mana?
Tu tamhe skin lagi.
Itu mana? Buat keras deh. Iya buat keras.
Mulai 5 krian sudah lalai jalan. Orang badrus pak le. Lah jalan ke kot mau kena semua ni spak. Lah jalan ni spak soal.
Yang lihat 9 ni.
Hek tabon.
Oh. Nomor
Tang kuat jalan mulai.
Kali istighfar. Paling istighfar. Nak kamu itu berdarah. Tăng một tí lệ tăng vài cha số cha lệ.
After the second round of counting for 22 Nongspong Sayong District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Manpakhat Nongal 1902, Shri Nathairanjit Osbert Ramai 1120, Shri Samlin Malyan 2933, Shri Solindar Khaba 17, Shri Suksha Kupal Roy Lingo Khaba 3506, Shri Soli Khabana Nota 21.
Kamu sosial.
After the second round of counting for 8 Nongkran District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Kitbarlam Scheme 5,747, Shri Labar Singh Nongrum 540, Shri Labar Malyan 4,979, Nota 86.
secara tamu. Ken. Tamu itu kata. Tabang kasam separuh mumut.
After the first round of counting for Maupang Dingye District Council constituency, the following are the votes polled by each candidate. Shri George Clarence Sun 1096, Sri Lankan 330, Sri Lancaster Margonian 1485, Sri Matthew Beyonstar Kurba 1657, Sri Maukoto Rinja 398, Sri Philemon Karmandarai 7, and Nota 38.
tam mata.
After the first round of counting for 6-7 District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows: 2,799, Shri Elias Kharbikhe 105, Shri Jonathan Steen 1,355, Shri Joseph Pungwat 20, Shri Chris Kharsati 1005, Shri Usafi Smithson Jorwa 282, and Nota 28.
Menang dia dah. Sampai kemana?
Tam sejam. Control tam sejam. Next back.
Krem tak soal telai, lai telai he dia.
Entah, wajak menjar sama.
After the second round of counting for 17 Lanka Malki District Council constituency, the votes polled by each candidate are as follows: Shri Deti H. Majau 1137, Shri Phantom Joseph Lakadong 1614, Shri Kansai Lindo 79, Shri Manuel Badwar 1390, Shri Peter Shalam 13, and Nota 48.
Mai forum orang. Mungkin dia detik oh. Ya.
After the first round of counting for 15 Naban Nakhon District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows: Shri Danny Lamse 527, Shri Mitchell Vankar 287, Shri Shetstar Runja 11, Shri Vicky Shulai 866, and Nota 39.
Rambut Sifulai.
Tak mulai.
Sifulai.
Halo. Semua.
Halo.
Oi. Halo.
Panas kan?
Đấy là xong tôi còn sốt quá.
Thằng pha thằng quên hết rồi. Như thế em bạn đó.
After the second round of counting for 18 Maukaros to Sarukra District Council constituency, the total votes thrown by each candidate are as follows. Shri James Balbasuraman 739, Shri Jibanlang Kharbi K 77, Shri Kodor El Nonkan 484, Shri Mixman Lang Scheme 1676, Shri Shwampula Kharjana 2735, Shri Roman Basayaman 88, Shri Biton John Galam 34, and Nota 141. After the third round of counting for 8 Nongkran District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Kitwaram in 8,109, Shri Lambar Singh Nongru 878, Shri Lambar Malnyam 6,544, and Nota 112.
Nongkrem khasan spa tam lupa.
After the third round of counting for Ladikra Malki District Council constituency, the votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Srimati Devi H. Majau 2,164, Shri Phantom Joseph Lakadong 2,568, Shri Vinsa Gaur 116, Shri Mandal Badwar 2,753, Shri Nita Chalam 32, and Nota 89.
Tengah spak, tak.
Kantin. Kantin sih. Aspak. Kepok ya. Kepok gitu.
After the third round of counting for 23 Nongspong Soyong District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Padprkhat Nomrang 2917, Shri Nathali Osbert Ramai 1571, Shri Sambin Malanyam 4479, Shri Sodingstar Thaba 24, Shri Sanchar Gopal Roy Lindo Thaba 5070,
Tam ke bom ya.
Yang ini dipecahkan gua mau.
Mungkin dia bisa.
Halo. Apa kali mah yang kali?
Dulit satu lagi lah.
Tunjuk kali apa yang sok nyok mah. Tunjuk kali mah apa yang sok nyok.
Di dulit satu lagi. Beratnya. Beratnya. Selamat pertama. Gimana?
Betul.
Sebentar.
Lihat Pak. Terang ada bang? Masukkan. Untuk suatu bola pertatap bang.
Kalau bukan aku
Đây là thằng lấy. Đó.
After the second round of counting for 7 Malcolm Road District Council constituency, the votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Srimati Amanda Annette Bakante, 2,333. Sri Councillor Mukhin, 34. Sri Hilarius Varma, 920. Sri Kansing Linxiang, 1,294. Sri Sebarlang Garba, 4,305. Sri Toris Singh, 97. Sri Pinchai Mauri, 11. And Nota, 34.
Malcolm Road Tam Hajar. Tamprak itu kan. Malcolm Road Hajar tamprak ikut Hajar tam. Kabut dengan kulit David Napo. Ini Malki. Tak selesai. Di ni mau yang. Mau yang. Se? Ba? Oh, betul. Ba? Balai dah. Pang asin si senam. Pang mengisi dan istirahat. Asin senam. Ini ramah. Oh cilawa. Ini cilawa. Tat arla senam. Ah. Cilawa kenal.
After the second round of counting for 16 non-combined district council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri Adam Victor Lindo, 1,217. Sri Desmond Lindo Mawang, 151. Sri Saurabh Bernard Rinksai, 17. Sri Punyat Singh Skin, 1,499. Sri Winston Tony Lindo, 3,057. Sri Ericton Dunlop Square, 33. And Nota, 121.
Ya penyang. Arhajar tamprak ya takut nungkemai Arhajar tamprak ya NPP nungkemai
For 8 Namakkal District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Victoria Singh of the VPP, 10,321. Shri Lakhar Singh Nongul of the Indian National Congress, 1,273. Shri Lakhar Malanian Independent Candidate, 8,108. And Nuka, 148.
Pepek Suyong no tam UDP ya Suyong tam.
After the fourth round of counting for 17 Lankra Mulki District Council constituency, the votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Srimati Deti H. Majau of the VPP, 3,823. Shri Fantan Joseph Labadong of the NPP, 3,157. Shri Kansai Bor Lindo, 152. Shri Mangal Badwar of the International Congress, 3,603. Shri Peter Shalam, 55. And Nuka, 125.
Mereka mungkin nang no paham
Start.
sejak poirong karena mukro mana mukro tam sejak
This is the trend for 18 Makhar Banor District Council constituency. Eugene Banbasayaman, 1189. Shri Nityanam Karbiko, 176. Shri Gorgar Aeronautic 676. Shri Pitchman Landscape, 2805. Shri Sontala Kharjana, 3911. Shri Raymond Basayaman, 113. Shri Giton John Walang, 75. And Nota, 198.
Tahu kan trainer tak. Saya buru kan ya, saya semua buru.
This is the trend for 15 Madon Local District Council constituency.
Kalau ni ragu beron ni.
Sri Tangi Langste, 1,482.
Kalau
Sri Victoria Star, 459. Sri Sunstar Bunja, 20. Sri Sulai, 2298. And Nota, 88.
Krem tu lah, tanpa kasan sepak tu.
Kalau dia tengok dia kalau semit krem.
Tak tu biar semua.
Mahal mesti. Aku mana perlu kita. Aku pernah ngeliat di lawan di kota.
Lop sini kelembuk madan rem tapet bak mo.
Sana. Oh sana. Hano. Kor.
Shri Devaram Pathal 2001. Shri Devaram Pathal 2110 and Nota 66.
Mulai lah tam lai hajar sam spa lai jar respa refindre mulai lah tam pra ya tibor pathau yang dipendan Dega Thara
Ya mi lu guys.
Awan snok sekali refe.
Mi lu terus mi tu perak pelanya tu keluar dia. Mi em kan.
After the third round of counting for Mausanram District Council constituency,
Mosenram.
the votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri Alvin Crane Southney found 5,452. Sri Matskan Mapanyam 230. Sri Rishabin Shamgyam 3,530. Sri Starling Lampadakasin 70. Sri Sulilingo 2,612. Sri Daniel Walang 69. Sri Tunwais Dakar 21. Nota 50.
Coba. Nút one ni semua. Nút one. Empok tu.
Benar ah.
Empok pungkai ran. Pungkai nak mati semua.
After the second round of counting for 21 Bautlan BA District Council constituency, the votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Sri George Charles 1,520, Sri Lamshan Bla 999, Sri Lancaster Marbanyam 3,294, Sri Sri Matthew Beyond Star Purva 2439, Sri Matata Rohija 740, Sri Philemon Karbakai 40, and Nota 49. After the fourth round of counting for 23 Municipal Soil District Council constituency, the votes voted by each candidate are as follows. Sri Lakshman Khatnamwal 3416, Sri Nathaniel Osborne 2068, Sri Sanjan Marnian 6590, Sri Surat Sal Haba 34, Sri Siksha Kumar Roy Lindo Haba 6360,
Nomor rekat Pak. Suyong. Hah? Sedikit Suyong.
After the second round of counting for 6 Southern Khan District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Guru Kirtan Vankharu 4999, Shri Durgas Khari Kale 159, Shri Jonathan Steele 3074, Shri Joseph H. Pinro 34, Shri Chris Kharsati 1480, Shri Usafi Sitson Jova 1444, and Nota 62.
Tam.
Halo. Oi. Halo. Lihat, lihat. 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 Halo. Kami taksan, kami taksan. Hah? Bila.
After the last round of counting, the 17 Lanka Masi District Council constituency, the total votes polled by each candidate are as follows. Shri Priti H. Majau of the DPP 4,867. Shri Santit Joseph Lapadong of the NPP 3,529. Shri Vincent Housing Dog 167.
Lain kerak lah prak tamprak.
Shri P. Salam 62 and Nusara 168.
Kelompok perkat lain kerak lah tamprak.